Hi, Katina Lottis here from OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we are taking OT to the next level. We're going to talk again about more homework strategies to help kids focus. One of the most interesting and motivating strategies that I've found for kids over the years has to do with pairing oral stimulation while doing an actual homework task. For example, allowing your child to chew gum, allowing your child to have a crunchy or sour type of snack, something that really stimulates the mouth, can be very helpful in improving focus. Sometimes parents will provide their children with a thick milkshake, maybe some grapefruit wedges, some celery, some crunchy pretzel bites. So it doesn't necessarily have to be an unhealthy kind of food, but some type of crunchy, sour, or intensive stimulation that will just help them to better focus and manage the task. Give this a try and be on the lookout for more homework strategies to help kids focus in. Thank you.